Hi friends, today I am going to show my 3D solar system. Now I am going to tell how to make these planets. We should take different sizes of balls and rings like this and paintings and double tape to stick the planets on its orbit. Roll this clay to the balls. Now we are going to learn about sun, planets, asteroids and comets. Friends, this is the sun which gives light to all the planets. Friends, this is the first planet of our solar system. It is the hottest planet of our solar system because it is so near to the sun. The second planet of the solar system is Venus. It is also hot, but it is second hottest planet of our solar system. Third planet, the Earth, on which we live, friends. On Earth only life is there. Next, the red planet, Mars. It has all the red soil. Friends, after the sun, planets, the asteroid belt is there. These all falls on the planets. Asteroids are in three types: asteroids, meteoroids and meteors. Asteroids form from big rocks. Meteoroids forms when two asteroids hits to each other. Some small broken pieces we can see. Those are called meteorites. Third type, meteors. They falls on all the planets with so much of fire. Next, the fifth planet of our solar system and the largest planet. It is very largest planet, friends. Its name is Jupiter. Next, the sixth planet of the solar system and second largest planet and rings planet. It is Saturn. Next, the seventh planet, Uranus. It is also has rings, but it has so small rings. It is second coldest planet too. The eighth planet, Neptune. It is the coldest planet in our solar system because it is so far from the sun. Friends, after these planets, the comet belt is there, which takes a round from the sun after 50 or 51 years. When a comet takes a round from the sun after again 50 or 51 years, again a comet takes round from sun like this. I know one comet name. It is Halley comet. So many comets have so many names, friends. Friends, today we have learned about planets, sun, asteroids and comets. Friends, and wait for the latest updates also. Bye bye.